So I want to give you just a quick sneak peek of something that I've been working on here in my loft. I have this new decor that I got from Kimberly Capone's website. These are Uttermost pieces. I absolutely love them and I cannot wait to decorate with them. And also I am bringing in something a little different. So I have this piece here that I will be working with. Again, this is going to be for spring. And then this one as well. Sorry, you can't really tell much because of the glare. But yeah, if you want to see how my space is going to turn out, make sure you subscribe, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family.
And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you,